Hello guys, welcome to 188 GCTV, and today we're gonna test our blood pressure monitor with Mia and Bijin as my assistant. First, we will try to unbox what is inside this blood pressure monitor. This is for the arms there, for the arms, okay?
Oops,
So,
wrong side.
wrong side, yeah. And we will also teach you how to use the blood pressure monitor, arm blood pressure monitor. Okay, sige. Okay, let's open. So what is inside is
The manual.
the manual, then the blood pressure monitor itself, and
The charger, I think.
this is the USB charger. You can use any type of charger. You can use the cell phone charger to charge this one because it does not come with a
Pinky hand.
charger. Only no charger included.
No more. No more. No more. There's no more.
No more charger included. So you have to use your cell phone charger for this. Okay, Mia, kindly open.
Marry me.
Okay, Mary, your blood pressure.
Yes.
So let's see. Let's open it. Let's check. So excuse this one. Up close. That's one. Turn around. So this is for the wrist monitor.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think this is okay, very good quality kind of monitor. This is actually rechargeable, so you have to use a USB to recharge this one. So we will test the blood pressure of Mia, the blood pressure of Bijin, and my blood pressure. Let's see if this blood pressure monitor works. Okay, Mia, this is how you will insert you will put the blood pressure monitor in your wrist, like that. Wait a moment.
The one it can connect.
Yeah.
The one.
It's near to your heart.
Yeah, near the heart.
You have to sit properly. Sit properly, like that,
Okay.
and move upwards. That will be okay, guys. So to use this one, you have to put it in your arms. Since Mia has a small hands, we have to move a little bit farther, like that. Okay, then strap it well, not too tight and not too loose. It must level to your heart. So like this one, if you're above, you have to move it further, close to your heart. Okay, let's try it.
Please relax and don't move. We will start to measure now.
So since Mia is in a high table, he has to lower his hands level to his heart. You will see that it is correct because the heartbeat will start counting.
Systolic pressure
Okay, so
is
Mia has
93. Diastolic pressure is 62. Pulse rate is 81. According to the World Health Organization standard,
you are normal.
level is normal.
How about okay, guys? So we will try this one on me, and we will check if this monitor can really check my blood pressure. Let's see. Okay.
Beep.
So expected that I will have a
We will start to measure
readings because I have hypertension. If this does not read, meaning it is not accurate.
Calm down.
Saka gamay yun.
systolic pressure
Okay.
is 132. Diastolic pressure is 93. Pulse rate is
So that's because guys, I have a hypertension and it reads very well.
Your blood pressure level is mild
I have a
hypertension.
mild hypertension today.
Yeah, you.
Okay, then we will check for children if it is accurate with children. Okay guys, so we will try this with Bijin.
The
She's a
younger.
child, so let's check how much is his blood pressure. If it, we have to put a bit farther,
Start to measure
a
now.
bit farther, because his arms, her arms is very small.
Don't panic. Calm down. Calm down.
Let's check if this can monitor children's blood pressure.
Kalma lang. Don't panic.
Measuring error.
Kana, ayan na
So
rin.
we're a bit sorry guys, but for children, I don't know if it works, but it has an error on children. Sorry, you do not have blood pressure.
I guess let's do it again.
Okay guys, so that's it for the, so we'll try in the arm. Okay, so let's try. Sige, sige. We'll try na lang in the,
We wish you good health.
okay, we will try in the, ano saan tawag? Arms. Okay, sige, let's check.
Oops, wrong
Since-
position there. There. Sige po.
Please relax and don't move. We will start to measure now.
Don't not panic lagi. You will get error again.
It's a bit high, but okay. Is it reading? Yeah, I guess it's reading, but I don't know if it's accurate, guys, with the children, because
Systolic pressure
okay. So if
90.
you're a child, you have to move upwards.
Is 74.
Abs.
Okay, I don't know if that is accurate, but he has a 125 heartbeat.
The World Health Organization
Blood pressure is okay, heartbeat.
blood pressure
I don't think that's the correct one.
She's panicking.
Anyways, guys, thank you for the checking us, and hope you, if you like, if it was informative, you please do subscribe, and we will unbox more and test more. Thank you very much.